Ready to learn Python but don't know where to start? In this video, we'll break down Python basics so clearly that even if you've never coded before, you'll understand it. Let's go! Python is a programming language that reads almost like English. It's beginner-friendly, powerful, and used everywhere, from A to websites to data analysis. Think of it as giving instructions to a computer in a way that's easy to understand. Companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA use Python daily. You're learning one of the most valuable skills today. Let's start simple. A variable stores information, like a labeled box. Data types include numbers, text strings, and true false values. The print text strings and true or false values. The print function displays output on screen. For example, name shows Alex and print. Name shows Alex. Practice create 3 variables about yourself and print them. These fundamentals form every program you'll ever write. Conditionals let code make decisions using if, elif, and else statements. Loops repeat actions using for or while. Imagine if temperature is cold, wear a jacket. That's how computers think. A for loop repeats code a set number of times. Practice write code that prints numbers 1, 10, then create code checking if a number is even or odd. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. Define them with def, for example, def greet name. Print a greeting. This saves time and keeps code organized. Practice questions, write a function calculating the area of a circle, create a function reversing a string, and build a simple calculator. Download practice questions in the community tab, hit subscribe to unlock more A and Python tutorials. Drop a comment telling me which Python project you'll build first.